Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky and I'm back to do a review and unboxing for a certain item. Now what did I get in this item? Oh, and by the way, where's it from you say? Well, you're gonna have to find out about it sooner, or eventually. What the hell? It's from a site called Joma Shop, and it's in Brooklyn, New York. And what did I get from here? Let's check it out. Like, right now. But how am I gonna open with this? Let's open it up and see what's inside. Like now. Alrighty, before we do the unboxing, I'm gonna be leaving some slideshow photos of what it says was related to it. If you see the title, you know what it is. Alrighty. So you already saw the photos. Now let's get on to the unboxing. And it's part of this. It's part of the Seiko 5 series. It's the SPF21. And I got this on the sale on Valentine's Day, and I haven't had a chance to review it. I've been busy, work, life, a whole lot of stuff. So it's the Seiko 5 Guile SPF21K1. So yeah, it's part of the Street Fighter series, y'all. And it's Guile, Colonel William Guile. Anybody who likes the video games or the 1994 film, please let me know in the comments. Some people didn't like it because it was intentionally funny. It's supposed to be funny, is what I heard from Good Bad Flicks. It's a good film. It's fun. It's cool. Steven D'Souza did a great job, the writer who brought us Commando, Predator, I think. And what else did he do, man? He did a lot of writing, including for Die Hard 2 as well. And Die Hard 1 and 2, he did writings for other films and action movies. So yeah, if anybody has Street Fighter on Blu-ray or DVD, good for you. Those who haven't, get it, man. I mean, it's a fun action comedy-esque film. It's intentionally funny. And Raul Julia as General M. Bison was great. Boo the 2009 sequel, Street Fighter: The Legend of Chun-Li. It wasn't that good. It was terrible. I love the bad taste in everybody's mouths. All sorts of languages for this is the manual. You saw me flipping through the pages. All right, so good packaging. A+ on that. Here it is, and it's wisdom. Street Fighter limited edition. Oh, jeez. No. Where did this one have to come? I just wanted to show it to you folks. I'm not going to wear the heck out of this watch. Great. How did this have to happen? Vultures. Where were they? Man. Gotta leave it the way it is. If you could tell from this buckle, it doesn't say anywhere from where it's made. It's just PVD stainless steel. Yeah, stainless steel. And this is a calf strap. You can take a look here, see? Seiko calf. Down to my house, we'll just remove the sticker anyway. So, here it is. Ooh-wee. There's the name Guile, Seiko Guile, Street Fighter. And here's the number. Limited to only an existence of 999 pieces. 9,999. That's close to nearly 1 million. But Anyway, mine is number 6605 out of 9,999. So yeah, here it is, limited edition. Very cool. Zoom out. In the back, very texture. And in the front, here's the name. There's Charlie. That happens to be Colonel Guile's friend, and this is the logo of the hero. Let's look at the bezel. Here, let's hear it click. Hold on a second. There we go. There we go. Oh man, that's amazing. Listen to that, folks. Amazing, amazing. Nice movement and everything. Very cool indeed. Magnificent, magnificent. Let's take a view of this piece, heck. Definitely got camel green. They're variations from the Zangief, the it's after Zangief. You got the Chun-Li. You got the Vega. You got Segal, I think. So yeah, I mean, you're gonna have to see the photos before you watch this whole thing, because heck, there are 5 in exist. There's only like how many of the Street Fighter lines? Man, oh man, heck. These came out 4 years ago. They ain't gonna have found this in a sale. So there are only about 6. First off with the Ryu, then the Ken model, then the Chun-Li, the Guile, and the Blackana, I said the name, and the Zangief. All 6 models of the Street Fighter line. So yeah, very cool model indeed. Nothing to lie about. Alrighty. So with all that out of the way, let's play a song to represent the piece. And what music am I going to be putting? You're going to have to wait that in a moment. Oh yeah, quick view of course. You got the tag, Seiko 5. And there's the reference number. And the caliber movement is the 4R36. So yeah. So with that, let's play music from 2020. Even though it's a dumpster fire year, but good musics and good watches were out at that time. So let's go to the music, like right now. Let's bounce, y'all. Alrighty. So the song we're going to be playing is by an artist named Warhol. That's WAR*HALL with the hit song Ready or Not. Enjoy, folks. That was Ready or Not by Warhol. So yeah, folks, if you like content like this or any other content on this channel, please click the bell and the subscribe button to be notified about new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate the thumbs ups, any opinions or anything that was going on that I mentioned in this video. If you're a fan of the games or anything of this sort, comment down below. And let's give a shout out to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, the video game collectors, toy collectors, and all you collectors out there. So yeah. Plus, I'm in the YouTube community, and I have to post what time I post videos for a certain time, whether it's the afternoon hours or the early evening hours of during the weekday, of course. Or sometimes I may post during the weekend. That depends. So yeah, so keep an eye on the YouTube community. So yeah, well anyways, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy Thursday and later.